In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Open up the Telegram app, then go to Chats. Once you're on Chats, tap on the icon on the upper right corner, and then, in order to create a channel, tap where it says New Channel. Now we are on a page that is explaining what a channel is. Tap Create Channel. Name your channel. If you like, you can add a description. Then we can tap on the camera icon to set a photo for that channel. You can open up your photo gallery or you can set some emoji. I'm gonna select that emoji and that background. After that, I'll tap on Set as Channel Photo and then just tap on Next. Then you must select whether you want to create a private channel or a public channel. Private channels can only be joined via an invite link. Public channels can be found in search so anyone can join them. If you select public, you will be able to set a public link so others will be able to find and join your channel via that link. The link has to be unique. I'm just going to put in here some random symbols to show you how it works. Now it says that this link is available. And if I tap Next, that will create the public channel. If you want, you can select Private Channel. And that has already a generated invite link. So if you tap on the three dots, you can copy it to the clipboard. Or you can get a QR code. Or you can revoke that invite link to create new ones. So if you tap on Revoke, that will automatically generate a new link. Now once you selected which option you would like, tap Next. Here, you will be able to add some people from your contact list to your new channel. Just use check marks on whom you want to add to your channel. You can add multiple users at the same time if you want to. And then just tap on Next. That's it. As you can see, we have just created a Telegram channel. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video. And see you in the next one.